All right, everybody. I've got some new stuff to show you. I'm here at the home page on Partner View. I copied and pasted the Wetwall that you have on the main site, and then I've got and that's under new products. In the promotions, I'd still have the solvents in there, and I can add whatever whenever. Let's go right into the products page here and show you some stuff that I have added here. Under fasteners, I've added a new category, joint fasteners, which includes biscuits, countertop fasteners, desktop fasteners, and dowels. And I think we've got another SKU on draw bolts, but I can't find it. I thought we had a smaller box. And then on the lamellos, do we carry Porter cable also? I could not find that. Maybe we don't have them anymore. But anyhow, so that I just added those. Let's go back to all products here. I have added a Karran logo, or a banner up here with the Karran logo in it. Let's go into Karran, or let's go into sinks, and that takes you right to sinks, Wilsonart and Karran. Click on the Wilsonart just to kind of take a look at it real quick, and there's all your Wilsonart selections, and then you can go to Karran. Karran's a pretty big line though, so it will overfill the page. So we'll have to narrow it down a little bit. Let's take a look at quartz. Let's do an undermount, black, and do an offset double. And there you go. There's your offset doubles. Again, don't forget you can sort here by quantity, and it looks like that was already sorted. So anyways, the Karran sinks are in there now. Explore that. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's clear this real quick and collapse these. Let's see. So we got finish, shape, type, kitchen, bar, laundry. Wilsonart model numbers are in here, as well as the Karran model numbers. So a customer can search by the model number if they've already got that when they come in. Accessories. These are all the little pieces, parts that are elusive as heck when you're trying to explore. So as you can see, mixing tips. Let's go ahead and do this. So we've got seaming adhesive, within there's a tip in there too, sink clips, sink router bits, strainer baskets, let's see, get rid of that. Let's go disposal flanges. So they're all in there. And here's all the polishing products that we've got in the system. So there's Karran and accessories. And then while we are here, let's take a look at, let's go back to all products. Let's go to laminate, Wilsonart, because I added some accessories in here as well. Make it a little easier to find these. Laminate's a big line, as you know. That's our biggest one so far. Collapse these real quick and get down to accessories. And you can see here we've got all the fun stuff. So you got trimmies, adhesive brushes, the roller covers, duster brush, J rollers, joint fasteners. Countertop fasteners. Yeah, so there's those. There's that fancy KV joint fastener. And so just yeah, be aware that those are there. And then also in Wetwall, add in accessories to that as well. Which includes the adhesives, these corner shelves, and the niches. And then I understand from Kirk that these won't be available till January, the corner and the niches. Real quick, let's jump into the, well, that's the sealant. Oh, no, yeah, so the Wetwall sealant, there is a color chart in the extended details on this. And I think that's everything I got on my list. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email or give me a shout. I appreciate it. Thanks.